it's kind of an entrepreneurial environment. The onus is up to you to come up with investment ideas. But what it allows you to do, and what I appreciate the most, is it enables you to take all the learnings you have from all of your classes and apply it. So in terms of finance, you're coming up with a model, you're coming up with valuation, but then you're also using strategy because you have to look at the business, the competitive strategies, where does this firm differentiate itself? And then it's also about marketing and selling. You have to go up in front of the class, present your ideas. But if you don't have conviction in what you're saying, it's going to be very hard for you to sell that idea. So it allows you really to take pieces from everything you've learned in school and apply it. And if you have a passion for investing and a passion for the markets, it's really a wonderful experience, and you really can gain a lot out of it.
And if you go into an interview and just say, hey, I've studied finance just like everybody else on earth, there's absolutely zero differentiation there. If you've done it and you've pitched a stock last week, I had numerous instances where I'd go into an interview and they'd say, what stocks do you like right now? For the average guy, maybe they've crammed the night before, they're following the stock market, but they haven't done full models and they haven't pitched ideas and really had ideas vetted. For me, I could just say, boom, here's my pitch, and you could nail that. All the financials, you've worked through a model, you understand how to structure the trade. All those things you really wouldn't ever do. You do in a mock kind of way, and you wouldn't know it anywhere near as well. But MPSIF really kind of brings that all out of you.
MPSIF really provides this opportunity where, if you're wrong or even really wrong, you're not going to get fired from the fund. It actually provides a good learning experience for everybody. And I would say that, you should keep track of how many times you're wrong over the semester. And if you're never wrong, it probably means that you're not sharing enough ideas or putting your feedback out there enough. And it's you should be wrong a certain percentage of the time to kind of optimize your class contribution.
You can get so many different things out of MPSIF. You can get, you need to treat it as a learning experience and as practice for the real world. You can work on your public speaking skills. You can work on your research skills. You can learn about new industries. It's great for reaching out to different alumni. The program's 10-year anniversary, so we have alumni all over the street, probably all over the world now, actually. So there's a lot of different things you can get out of it. It's not just researching a stock and trying to buy a stock at 10 and sell it at 20. There's many, many different values and roles and things that can be taken out of MPSIF to make us all better.
And the neat thing about MPSIF is there's the extra added dimension of benefiting and funding the University of Oklahoma students to come study at Stern. So there's really that extra motivation, and not only do we want to produce good returns for the fund, but knowing that we're also contributing to a good cause is a really neat aspect of being part of the class.